Will technology replace accountants? Hello and welcome to Justwise Accounting. We are your trusted bookkeeping business based in Queensland, Australia. In this video, we will explore the question, will technology replace accountants? Technology has brought many changes to the accounting profession in recent years. From cloud computing to artificial intelligence. From data analytics to blockchain. There are many tools and innovations that can help accountants perform their tasks faster, easier and more accurately. But does that mean that accountants will become obsolete in the future? The answer is no. Technology will not replace accountants. It will support them and enable them to focus on higher value activities. According to Invoice, a platform for invoicing and expense management, technology may reduce the need for accountants to do process-driven or repetitive bookkeeping tasks, such as data entry. But it will not eliminate the need for higher value accounting tasks, such as analysis, interpretation and advice. Technology can automate some of the manual accounting work, such as expense management, tax preparation, audits, payroll and banking. But it cannot replace the human elements of accounting, such as judgment, creativity, ethics and communication. As Forbes, a leading business magazine, points out, technology can also provide accountants with more opportunities to leverage big data and provide valuable insights for decision-making, strategy planning, compliance and investor relations. Technology can also help accountants collaborate more effectively with other departments and stakeholders within and outside the organization. ASP, an accounting service provider, also argues that technology still requires oversight to ensure accuracy and reliability. Business owners do not want to take on the responsibility of managing the financial technology they are using. They prefer to rely on trusted professionals who can guide them and advise them on their financial matters. So, what are some of the benefits of technology for accountants? Let's look at some of them in more detail. Elimination of manual data entry. Technology can help accountants save time and reduce errors by automating data entry tasks. For example, using optical character recognition (OCR) software, accountants can scan invoices and receipts and extract relevant information without typing it manually. This can improve efficiency and accuracy of data processing. Tax workflow automation. Technology can help accountants streamline the tax process by automating tasks such as data collection, calculation, filing and reporting. For example, using cloud-based tax software, accountants can access real-time tax data from multiple sources, perform complex calculations, generate tax forms and reports, and file them electronically with the relevant authorities. This can reduce the risk of errors and penalties, and increase compliance. Real-time collaboration. Technology can help accountants work together more efficiently by enabling real-time collaboration across different locations and devices. For example, using cloud-based accounting software, accountants can share and update financial data with their colleagues and clients instantly and securely. They can also communicate via chat or video call, and work on the same documents simultaneously. This can improve teamwork and client satisfaction. A shift to value-added work. Technology can help accountants focus on more strategic tasks by freeing them from routine tasks. For example, using artificial intelligence (AI) software, accountants can automate tasks such as transaction verification, anomaly detection, risk assessment, and fraud prevention. This can allow them to spend more time on tasks that require human judgment, creativity and communication skills, such as analysis, interpretation and advice. Surfacing valuable insights. Technology can help accountants make better decisions by surfacing valuable insights from big data. For example, using data analytics software, accountants can analyze large volumes of financial data from various sources and generate meaningful reports and dashboards. They can also use predictive analytics to forecast future trends and scenarios and provide recommendations based on data-driven insights. This can enhance their role as trusted advisors for their clients. Cost savings. Technology can help accountants save costs by reducing the need for physical infrastructure and resources. For example, using cloud-based software solutions, accountants can access their applications and data from anywhere without investing in expensive hardware or software licenses. They can also reduce paper consumption and storage costs by digitizing their documents and records. Security. Technology can help accountants protect their data from unauthorized access or loss by using encryption, authentication and backup features. For example, using cloud-based software solutions, accountants can store their data in secure servers that are regularly updated and monitored by experts. They can also use passwords or biometric authentication to access their data and use encryption to prevent data breaches. Accessibility. Technology can help accountants work from anywhere by using mobile devices or web browser to access their applications and data. For example, using cloud-based software solutions, accountants can work remotely or on the go without compromising their productivity or quality of work. They can also access their data anytime they need it without depending on office hours or locations. Digitalization. Technology can help accountants store and access their data more easily by using digital formats and platforms. For example, using cloud-based software solutions, accountants can store their data in the cloud and access it from any device or web browser. They can also use online platforms to share their data with their clients or colleagues. And use digital signatures to sign documents electronically. Environmental, social and corporate governance, ESG. Technology can help accountants meet their sustainability goals by reducing their environmental impact and improving their social and corporate responsibility. For example, using cloud-based software solutions, accountants can reduce their carbon footprint and energy consumption by using less paper, hardware and electricity. They can also use technology to support social causes and ethical practices by donating to charities, volunteering for community projects or complying with ESG standards. So, technology will not replace accountants, but rather enhance their role and value. Accountants who embrace technology and adapt to the changing environment will have more opportunities to grow their skills, expand their services and increase their impact. At Justwise Accounting, we are always ready to help you with your accounting needs. We use the latest technology to provide you with efficient, accurate and reliable bookkeeping services. We also offer you personalized consultation and advice to help you achieve your business goals. If you want to learn more about how we can help you with your accounting needs, please visit our website or contact us today. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To enhance your understanding of business, please visit our channel and explore our playlist, Business Basics for Beginners. Thanks for watching.